So, let us discuss about its history. How did it was invented and how it covered this much of years and we just did experiments and that what made us reach here, right? If you take any means of transport, every means of transport is faster than the previous one, right? If we talk about walking is the slowest means of transport, and any from starting from two-wheelers to airplanes, everything is just wants your minutes to reach some 100 to 1,000 kilometers, right? So this means of transport was an idea of some person's mind. It came into some person's mind, and he just did experiment which got successful. And uh, many years back, people used to say in 2020 there will be flying cars, but it won't, it won't come to be true. But we are now seeing that Chinese, some XYZ company has developed a car which can deliver, which can fly only for a few minutes, but it can fly. And they have also tested a drone delivery idea. Means deliveries are going through drones. Picks up the order and it it reaches the location and drops there with the consent. Second thing is that there is a super suit, super suit, or I can say uh, super suit or super suit, which consists of two big thrust type of cylinders, which generates a high pressure, which makes human fly. Once single human can fly with its arm used as a thresher, and those engines make yes, Iron Man's suit. You don't know it. Have you seen Iron Man's suit where two engines types are attached, which with its up thrust it makes the human high and good. That's also has been tested in India, and that is going to be used for patrolling for by the Indian armies, right? So we were talking about means of transport. So what was the reason of making transportation? Transportation, transportation's evolvement and uh, evolvement and the was necessary because in this movement, because it provides the better connectivity. You can move from one city to another within just within just cycling, motorcycle, or cars, whichever thing you have. So this has made things easy, right? For example, if you want to go for a school, if you use your if you go by walking, it will consume around 15 to 20 minutes. But if you use a motorcycle, it will half your time means in just 5 to 10 minutes you will you reach at your school. So this has helped in many things. But what do you think addiction to these short journey transportations means of transportation are affecting the health of the person? Do you think because we are so much addicted to this using the means of transport, the motorcycles and the cars that even to go for some 1 or 2 kilometer distance we take out we make use of cars and motorcycles instead of going by foot or using bicycle. We tend to go because it seems that our work will be done easy and we just use that only. So what do you think it is affecting our health? Yes, it is very true that it is now started affecting our health because sitting for so prolonged time it is affecting our whole body, not only the posture but also a hand and legs which are in same which are in same position for many hours. And even due to using so much of cars and motorcycles that creates congestion on the roads, even traffic jams, due to which we have to stand in a long between between lines to get red light red light green. So what we can do is we can use public transport. If we are traveling alone in a car or on a motorcycle, we can try using public transport if it is not that much necessary or that much compulsory urgent, right? And if we are also alone in a car or motorcycle, we can give lift to other our friends or colleagues who is going to same place so that the jam or congestion of roads can be cleared. Using public transport has become very low because everyone wants their own motorcycle and cars to travel because once they use their own, it is their choice to when to leave from home. Otherwise, if they travel from any train, bus, metro, so it is a fixed time. So if you don't reach at that station on time, your train will leave, your bus will leave. So how people use this, their use of transport, and and also if and also and also because just to show people, just to flex in front of people, mostly people use the heavy machines. Heavy machines means actually cars and bikes which consume more fuel and more fuel that brings burden on our environment, our nature, our air quality. So it is not necessary to go everywhere with our own means of transport. We can also take lift or use public transport. And, and again, I would say